Hello friend, I'm setting you a challenge. It's a tough one. I want you to use the skills you learned in Content Aware Fill video, the one previous. And in your O5 cropping, aligning, distorting folder, there's a class project 1. It's called Content Aware Fill A. Thank you, Philip Bunkins. This here, I would like you to see if you can remove the windmills and these two boats here. It's not an easy one. I did it on purpose because otherwise you just make a selection and hit the button and it'd be done. You can use more than just your Content Aware Fill skills. If you need to use the spot healing brush, you might have to feather edges. You might find the patch tool works better for you. But the name of the game here is to remove windmills and boats. It's pretty easy to explain, but it is there in your class projects Word file. And I'd love to see what you did when you finished. Did it go bad? Show me. Did it go really well? Did you spend far too long on it? Did you spend 2 seconds? I'd just like to see your examples and you can compare it with others. Post it in the assignments or in the comments or tag me in social media. Remember Instagram, I am at Bring Your Own Laptop. On Twitter, I am Dan Loves Adobe. All right, let's get on to the next video.